One of the common questions I get a lot is how do I know what type of PTZ, what type of zoom to go with? So that is a 20x, and I have a laser level right here. And what we're going to do is get a measurement on what we get from here. So let me turn this around. All right, so I am going to aim here to see if I can get in focus. Come on there. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get a distance from the pulpit of what this is. All right, so we're right on the pulpit is 44 feet, 3 inches. Let's aim for the back wall. All right, so the back wall right up under the TV, come on, let's get in focus, is 61 feet and 11 inches. So that is to the wall right under the TV. So 20x gives me a good image from there.